Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As I have already sent you a lecture on distance formula, now the next lecture is on next topic, that is section formula. And if you remember the previous lecture, I have told you that distance with the help of distance formula you can find the distance between two points, and also at the same time you can check collinearity with the help of distance formula. Now the next topic is section formula. तो सेक्शन फार्मूला को कैसे किया जाए, सेक्शन फार्मूला क्या है, इसके रिलेटेड हम कैसे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ये हम आज के इस लेक्चर में देखेंगे. सबसे पहले सेक्शन फार्मूला कि अगर हम कोई लाइन सेगमेंट लेंगे, सपोज ए बी इज ए लाइन सेगमेंट joined by points say 3, 2 and with B with coordinates 4, 5. Now if there is a point P in between this A and B, in between A and B, say P is a point in with coordinates suppose x, y, and it is in between these A and B. So obviously if it divides, obviously AP or PB P divides AB in the ratio AP by PB, because P lies between A and B. So it is termed as internal division. Internal division. दैट मीन्स अगर दो पॉइंट्स जो हम ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, अगर कोई पॉइंट उनके दरमियान आए तो फिर उसको बोलते हैं इंटरनल डिवीजन. और इसका रेशो हम यानी कि P डिवाइड्स AB in the ratio AP divided by PB. Let us suppose this ratio is M, the AP is M and PB is N. Then we can say AP by PB divides it in the ratio M ratio N. Since P lies between A and B, so this is known as internal division. Now if the point P is point is outside this, suppose AB is a line and P is point here. Here point P is not in between A and B, and if we take the ratio from A to P, and then from B to P, that means AP divided by PB. Suppose A to P is M and B to P is N. So the AP by PB is ratio M by N. But here P lies outside A and B. This is known as external division. This is known as external division. लेकिन आपके सिलेबस में इंटरनल डिवीजन है, एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन नहीं है. सो आवर फोकस विल बी ऑन internal division. but the formula for external division is of similar nature, and I will also discuss that formula as well. But all the questions in your text are related to internal division, not external division. Let us elaborate this section formula further. For instance, A has coordinates x1, y1, and B has coordinates x2, y2. So this is AB. This line is AB with coordinates x1, y1 and B with coordinates x2, y2. And P is a point with coordinates x1, y1, x, y. And obviously P lies between A and B, so we can say P divides AB internally. And let us suppose this ratio is given, m/n. So what is the main point of this section formula is that if you know the coordinates of two endpoints, say A and B, and also the ratio between which a point divides, here P is the point and it divides it between M and N, then easily we can find the coordinates of x and we can find this x and y. That means in section formula कहाँ पे हमें इस्तेमाल होती है, इसका मतलब है कि अगर कोई पॉइंट किसी लाइन सेगमेंट को इंटरनली किसी रेशो में डिवाइड करता है, यानी कि वो रेशो भी हमें दिया गया है यहाँ पे m into n, और इन एंड पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट्स x1, y1, x2, y2, these are given points, but this x and y, the coordinates of point जो इसको डिवाइड करता है m into n में, वो हमें x और y के कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता नहीं है. हम इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स मालूम कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला दिस. हाउ यू कैन इजिली रिमेंबर दिस. द coordinates of x is equal to, you have to remember this, you have to multiply this m by coordinates of x2 and n with the coordinates of x1. That means x coordinates of this is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by sum of these ratios m plus n, and y coordinate is equal to my2 plus ny2. For y coordinates you have to multiply it with y coordinates, my2 ny1 divided by m plus n. So you can use this formula to find the coordinates of P, x, y. Now we will take an example to elaborate this point, but before that you have to remember this formula. That means if a point x1, y1 is given, b is another point x2, y2, that is also given, and P is a point whose coordinates are unknown, and you have to find, and it is given that this P divides AB in m ratio n. Then you can use this formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus 1 to find the coordinates of this unknown point P, x and y. This is internal division. For external division, here you have to substitute plus by minus. That means if it is given that this is for internal division. For external division, x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, and y is equal to mx2 minus my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So there is only the difference of plus and minus. That means here it is plus in both cases, and here it is both minus. Both. Rest of the formula is same. So you can find external division by this formula. External division. So if it is mentioned the division is externally, P divides externally, then use this formula. And if it is mentioned that the point divides it internally, then use this formula. But your syllabus is related to internal division. All the exercises based on internal division. There is no question of external division, but still I have mentioned it here so that you will be able to do it. Now let us do some examples based on this section formula. And suppose, obviously I will choose the questions from text. So the first question which I would like to do is, suppose -1, 7 is a point. Say it is point A, and B is another point with coordinates 4, 4, -3. And you have to find, suppose this is A point, this is B point. A with coordinate -1, 7 and B with coordinate 4, -3. And it is given that a point, say it is name, I will write the name, it says P with coordinates 2, 3. It divides, x, y, I will mention its coordinates x, y, and it divides it in the ratio 2:3. You have to find the coordinates of a point. You have to find the coordinates of point P, which divides it in 2:3. And here A is coordinates -1, 7, and B is coordinates 4, -3. Now, as P lies between A and B, so we have to use internal division formula. That is, here m equal to 2, n equal to 3, and x1 equal to 1, x1 y1, x1 equal to -1, y1 equal to y1 equal to 7, x2 equal to x2, x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to -3. Therefore x coordinate x coordinate of P, x equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. The formula which I mentioned earlier. mx2, that means here m is equal to 3, so you have to find 3 into x2 is 4, plus n is 3, x1 is -1 divided by m plus n, 2 plus 3. So that is 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, -3 divided by 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. That means it will be equal to 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 by 5. So if I once again check it, 2 4s are 8. Sorry, here I take m is equal to 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 3 1s are 3 minus 3. So it is 4. It is 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 5. 5 by 5. 5 by 5 equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Now y equal to, similarly y equal to 2 into 3, 2 into -3 plus 3 into y1, 3 into y1, 3 into 7, 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So 2 3s are 6 minus 6, 2 3 6, 3 7s are 21 plus 21 divided by 3 plus 5. So 21 out of 6, I think it is equal to 15 divided by 5, so it is equal to 3. Therefore coordinates of y equal to 1, 3. 3. So the coordinates of 1 are 1, 3. So this was all about section formula. Now I will conclude my lecture on this section formula, and if you want to solve any question, if you have problems regarding any question in this exercise or in this chapter, you can write it in the comment section, and you will give it feedback, and I will solve that question. That means you have to mention which question you are unable to do in this exercise or in this chapter, and in the next video I will show you the solution of those questions. I will explain the solution of those questions. With this, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are fine and stay at home so that you will be safe, and keep practicing your syllabus. Thank you very much.